I was sent this electric Gua Sha device, also called a warm facial massager, and I want to show you how to use it. It's going to come with the USB, so you can just charge it up and reuse it again and again and again. So I love that. No batteries needed. It's nice and small, fits like in the palm of my hand. And then this is going to be the Gua Sha, where we're going to go like this and kind of, it's called scraping. So I will show you how to use it. There's a little red button here. You just push that, that will turn it on. And then if you see right here, there's red light therapy, which is really good for anti-aging. Okay, and then there's also a couple modes. So there's a little flame right here. When you touch that, you can do heat at a second level or a third level. That's gonna be your warmest, or no heat, your choice. So I like to put it on the highest level of warmth, and let me tell you, it gives some heat. It packs the heat. And then this one down here, this is the vibration. So that's gonna really help with like absorbing serums or any sort of like cream you've maybe put on your face, or just kind of helping with all the lymphatic drainage. So this is all you do. Now there is a sheet inside that gives you some really good ideas of how to use this all over your body, so it's not just your face. But of course, we all want that lift in our face, right? And then you can even do your arms, you can do your belly. It's really cool. Your neck, can't forget about your neck, even like your scalp. So I think you're gonna love it. Check it out. If you're really into anti-aging, you definitely need one of these.